In this video, I'll show you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting using a meeting ID and passcode. Click the Join with a Meeting ID button to open the Join a Meeting with an ID dialog. In the Meeting ID field, type the 9-digit meeting code, for this example, 123456778. Then enter the 6-digit passcode below it, in this case, 111111. Click Join Meeting to move to the pre-join screen, where you can check your camera and microphone settings. The pre-join screen displays your video preview with audio controls and device options along the bottom of the window. Click Join Now to connect to the meeting. You'll see a connecting screen briefly, then a waiting for others to join message once you're in the lobby. If you get an invalid code error, double-check you've entered all 9 digits of the meeting ID correctly with no extra spaces. The passcode is case-sensitive if it contains letters, though most use only numbers. You can join a meeting up to 15 minutes before its scheduled start time, but you'll wait in the lobby until the organizer admits you or the meeting begins. If your camera or microphone aren't working on the pre-join screen, click the device settings icon to choose a different input. That's how to join a Teams meeting with a meeting ID and passcode. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.